Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best mini eraser is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any stationery collection, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a mini eraser truly stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique features, practical applications, and why it might just be the unsung hero of your pencil case, ensuring your mistakes disappear with precision and ease, making it an indispensable companion for students, artists, and anyone who values a clean, error-free workspace. Number 5. 35 PCS Animal Erasers Desk Pets. Introducing a delightful set of 35 animal-shaped erasers, perfect for little hands. These aren't just any erasers, they're fun puzzle toys that can be taken apart and put back together. Discover a wild assortment of creatures, from jungle animals to sea life. Each one is individually wrapped and ready to be collected or played with. These charming erasers are about an inch in size, making them ideal for pencil cases and small collections. They're the perfect size for little hands to enjoy. These make fantastic party favors, classroom rewards, and holiday treats. They're great for Easter eggs, goodie bags, and treasure boxes too. Crafted from non-toxic, eco-friendly rubber, these erasers are safe for children aged 3 and up. They easily erase pencil marks, providing worry-free fun. These versatile desk pets offer hours of entertainment. They're perfect for long journeys or quiet desk time, sparking creativity and imagination. What we like? These are perfect for kids who love animals and puzzles. If you're looking for a fun and engaging party favor or classroom reward, these are a great choice. They offer a unique play experience by allowing kids to take them apart and put them back together, making them more than just an eraser. What people say? They're cute, small, and well-made, with lots of different options to choose from, which made them extra fun for students. Erasers were exactly as described and as expected. My kids love using their imagination and turning the erasers into characters. Erasers have been durable through use of many hours of play and using imagination. Cute design, love the added element of problem-solving strategies, which makes it more fun for the kiddos to take apart and put back together again. Erasers are soft and smooth. The erasers are 3D puzzles with many pieces. The grandkids love them, but I am constantly picking up the pieces. Colors are bright and the shapes are not distorted. They are cute. Number 4. Make your own mini erasers kit. Get ready to have some fun with the latest way to make mistakes disappear. You can sculpt your own unique creations with this amazing eraser clay. Simply bake your sculpted designs in the oven. You'll end up with adorable, slightly squishy erasers that actually work. With 8 vibrant colors of clay included, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild with all the shades you can create. Choose from over 35 different eraser designs. You'll have so many options, you'll never have to worry about making an error again. This kit isn't just for kids, it's a fantastic activity for everyone. Make no mistake, this is guaranteed fun for the whole family. What we like? This kit is ideal for creative kids who enjoy hands-on activities. If you want a unique crafting experience that results in a functional item, this is the one. It's perfect for family fun or for anyone who loves to personalize their stationery. What people say? The book makes it easy to follow along with step-by-step directions. The product is adorable. The book comes with so many wonderful ideas and the directions are easy to follow. Number 3. JOVITEC 200-piece mini eraser assortment. Get ready for a burst of color and creativity. Our mini erasers come in a delightful assortment of shapes, perfect for any occasion. Featuring cute cakes, fun digital designs, and charming animals, these erasers are sure to bring smiles. They're a fantastic way to add a little joy to schoolwork. Looking for the ideal party favor or a special treat for good grades? These novelty erasers are a hit with kids and make great rewards. With 200 pieces in each set, you'll have plenty to share. They're perfect for filling gift bags or just for everyday use. Add a touch of fun to pencils and desks. These colorful erasers are not only practical but also incredibly charming. We bring you quality and fun in every pack. Make your next event or study session a little brighter with our unique erasers. What we like? This massive pack is fantastic for stocking up on party favors or rewards for a large group. If you need a wide variety of cute and colorful erasers for various occasions like parties, homework rewards, or gift filling, this is an excellent value. It ensures you'll have plenty to go around for any event. What people say. They are super tiny, but that was exactly what I was looking for. I use these as an incentive in my classroom to learning new sight words. The kids love to earn them and like that they can collect all strawberries or cupcakes. They also work as erasers, although the kids don't use them like that. Some of the kids play with them as well. I'm a teacher and I use these little erasers to give out to students as prizes, like when we play a game such as bingo, and they absolutely loved them. So cute and such a wide variety to choose from. And they took longer than I thought to go through, so 200 is definitely a good amount. We'll definitely be purchasing again. Number 2. Cute Animal Puzzle Erasers, 34-piece set. Introducing a delightful set of 34 animal erasers. These aren't just for correcting mistakes, they're fun 3D puzzles that kids can take apart and rebuild into cute creatures. They're the perfect size for pencil cases and add a touch of fun to any desk. Looking for engaging classroom rewards or party favors? These colorful erasers are a hit. They're ideal for keeping little ones entertained during lessons or travel, and make great additions to Valentine's, back to school, or Easter celebrations. More than just stationery, these erasers double as toys that encourage creativity. Kids can improve their fine motor skills by assembling them into various animals. They also serve as wonderful incentives for good work or as calming fidget tools. These collectible erasers are a fantastic addition to any party goodie bag, treasure box, or carnival prize. Their durable design ensures they won't break easily, making them a lasting favorite for kids. Get premium value with this bulk pack of 34 erasers. They are perfect for classroom rewards, birthday parties, or simply as fun, quiet time toys. Plus, they are practical, washable, and offer endless creative possibilities. What we like. These are designed for kids who enjoy interactive play and collecting. If you need durable and engaging desk pets for classroom rewards or party favors, these are a top pick. Their 3D designs and puzzle-like nature make them stand out for imaginative fun. What people say. Nice assortment of erasers that kids love. They are perfect for incentive prizes and the size is good, not too big but not so small they lose their charm. Very cute, sizable eraser toys. The kids love them. They are decently thick and come apart easily, so less breakage. Son pequeños pero muy bien hechos, las figuras tienen bien hechos los detalles. Number 1. UMIKU 100-pack animal pencil erasers. Get ready for an exciting collection of 100 mini erasers. These adorable 3D desk pets come in a variety of fun themes like animals, fruits, and desserts. They're perfect for collecting and enjoying simple pleasures. These aren't just erasers, they're toys that help kids develop hand-eye coordination and learn about different objects. They spark imagination and creativity, making playtime both fun and educational. Whether it's for classroom prizes, party favors, or Easter egg fillers, these erasers are a hit. They're ideal for kids aged 3 to 8 and make great additions to goodie bags and stockings. Looking for the perfect gift? These puzzle erasers make fantastic birthday, Christmas, or back-to-school presents. They're designed to spark interest and make learning exciting. Each eraser is a mini puzzle. Kids can have a blast taking them apart and putting them back together. This helps improve fine motor skills and logical thinking. Made from high-quality, safe rubber, these erasers are built to last. They are individually packed, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition for endless fun. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for those who need a large quantity of diverse erasers. If you're a teacher looking for abundant classroom prizes or a parent planning a big party, this set offers incredible variety. It's perfect for encouraging collection, imaginative play, and developing fine motor skills. What people say. The eraser works great and is very effective at removing pencil marks. It's a good size for small hands and easy to grip. The eraser is durable and lasts a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.